Who are you? I am asking this question in a broad sense. If you are saying that I am a conscious being, then my another question is, are you conscious about your consciousness? If you are only conscious, then animals are also conscious. And if you are conscious about your consciousness, then you are a rational human being. Rational with capital R. Rational means having reasoning and logic. This is the theme of today's session. That is the conscious and conscious about consciousness. And this theme will specifically talks about two category. First one is conscious and second one is conscious about consciousness. Let us understand this theme through two recent examples, one from animal world and second one is from human world. And at the end of this video, you will be able to comprehend this theme. Hello and welcome to the series called Issues That Matter. This series will focus on those issues from the newspapers, books, etc., which help us to inculcate learnings in our day to day life. This is the introduction about this series in a nutshell. Let's move forward. First of all, I will request you please pause this video right now and read these two news pieces which are in front of you. These two news pieces were published on 7th of July 2025 in the Hindu newspaper, which explain the reality of human society regarding the animalness which is contrary to the humanness. The first news comes from the animal world. The first piece talks about an incident which was happened in Kerala on May 15th, 2025, where a man-eater female tiger was caught after 2 months of prolonged searching, and finally she has been punished and shifted to the zoo. Now my question is, why I am saying that she has been punished? Because she has been shifted to the zoo. Zoo is like a prison, or we can say cage, for animals and other species which restricted their freedom and cut them out from animal world. And in this case, this female tiger has been convicted and she has to face torture in the form of punishment in the zoo. Now the second incident comes from so-called human world, where the prime accused in this case, which was happened in the educational institution, the prime accused after committing the crime did not attempt to flee or hide and instead visited multiple eateries on June 25th, 2025. He traveled to various locations following the incident. Now, please focus on this point. Investigators said that the 31-year-old was so confident that the survivor would not approach the police and that he neither went into hiding nor made any effort to conceal his movements. Please pause your thinking and ponder here. Now go back to the animal world again, where the article says that the female tiger had been spotted roaming over the area past couple of days, and forest officers confirmed after analyzing its unique stripe that it was the same tiger involved in the May 15th attack that resulted in a human loss. Please find commonness in the both cases. And these two examples will talk about specifically will talk about the conscious category, where both are conscious. In the second case, these human being which are who are not rational human being. And what is the common here? The common here is the animalness. The first is the animalness in the animal body, and second is the animalness in the human body. Now, I am going back to the theme again, that is the conscious and conscious about consciousness. Now, I am so let's move forward to the second category. This is to understand, I have to ask the same question, that is a who are we then? Are we only conscious like animals, or are we rational human beings which are conscious as well as conscious about consciousness? If we are rational human being, then duties and ethics will come into play, and there is a no value of ethics and duty in the animal world. If you want to understand this category, I would request you to read one book, that is The Power of Intention. This is the book you should read. Okay, now I am going to give you a essence of this book, which is talking about this category in much detail. Now essence is, we are not human being having a spiritual experience. We are a spiritual beings having a human experience. Means, firstly, we are essentially a spiritual being having a human experience. We have to shift our vision toward seeing ourselves as an infinite spiritual beings, firstly having a human experience, rather than the reverse, that is a human being having an occasional spiritual experience. This is what I am talking about, being conscious and conscious about consciousness. Is we have to shift our vision toward seeing ourselves as an infinite spiritual beings having a human experience, rather than the reverse, that is a human being having an occasional spiritual experience. And I urge you to move your awareness beyond this physical body. We are not merely a body like animals. Now I am going back to the initial part of this video, and if I am asking who are you then, if you are falling in this category only, as we have already seen in this case, if you are falling in category number 1, then you will certainly show the animalistic behavior, as these two examples suggest you. And in contrary, if you are conscious about your consciousness, you will definitely show ethical and moral behavior towards sentient beings. Thank you so much.